Ekoromo kwado keweche motenore kod kwan ringre mosebed kigole kar wito taka makware chenro mano ringre ma ji osekwanye kar taka nochakore kar kono ringre ma City e bomani ma Nairobi. Familia bora medo wuok oko mar yango wedegi kadibedni ni kind ringre go mosechwal City. Gie sani antie jotelo mawa Keini ma bende loso achiel kachiel kowuok kanyo kendo awinjane ne giwacho
kwamba viongozi hawajitokezi, lakini safari hii tumeona kuna viongozi ambao wamewacha makazi yao. Leo ni Jumatatu, wameacha shughuli zao, wamekuja kuongelea hili swala. La pili ni kuhimiza serikali. Tunaelewa kwamba ikiwa vifo ni takriban watu 42, lazima kuna vyenye mnajua hili jambo venye linatendeka. Tumeona kuna SIM card ambazo zimepatikana. Hakuna SIM card ambayo mtu anachukua bila kujiregister. Wewe unapeanaje SIM card kadhaa kwa mtu mmoja ambaye anatumia kitambulisho kimoja? Kuna simu zinapatikana. Tunajua kuna MMI codes ambazo unaweza kutrace. Kama vitengo vya usalama tunafanya intelligence work gani? Kwa hivyo kitu ambacho sisi tunahofia kama wanawake, watetezi na viongozi katika hii nchi yetu, kesho tunaenda wapi? Tutajuaje next ni Mheshimiwa Anne Waiguru ama mwingine tena? Tutakuwa na imani gani kwamba tutakapokwenda katika public eyes kwamba sisi lives zetu ziko protected? So sisi tunachokitaka ni kwamba wanawake, because now this is turning into a femicide, wanawake haki zao ziangaliwe ni vipi zinakuwa protected na kila aina ya binadamu, kwa sababu we can never repeat history. Tumemaliza Shakahola, tumekuja katika hii Mkuru. How can it go like this? Every day kunatoka massacres and the country we are having it a democratic country. So we want to end this and we end now.
Thank you very much. Lady one MP. Lea. Chair.
Thank you so much. We are here today as Kenya women leaders, and I think this is our saddest day in history, having to discover that we have 42 women that we have lost, and this actually becomes a femicide. And we are here today in solidarity to say that we want these perpetrators brought into books. And as our women leaders have already spoken before me, we say that we want enhanced systems and we want to have the security of women, because we are not also secure as women. Those women might have been killed today, but which woman is next online? It can be me, it can be you. And so we want to say that women's lives must be protected by all means and by all costs. We are happy that government has come in swiftly to start finding the perpetrators, but we want to say that this is not the work of one person. We need from the SIM card information, we need from everything that has been traced to trace the perpetrators, because it is so sad that someone who have killed 42 women was still out there on the streets roaming. Who was going to be next? And we are saying today that this thing happened between 2022 and now. It means that we have a disconnect. And formation of the gender desk in every police station will have helped a lot in identifying these people. And so we want to say, as women leaders of Kenya, we are very sad today. We resonate with the people that have lost their lives and the families that are grieving today. And as women leaders of Kenya, we are grieving together with you, and we will stand with you in this cause to make sure that these perpetrators are brought into books. We are also happy with the civil societies. We have held hands today as women leaders of the Republic of Kenya. We are saying enough is enough. We also held hands with our churches and say enough is enough. Women lives must count and women lives must be protected. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Excuse me. The Deputy Governor is on his way, just entering.
Yeah?
Deputy Governor.
But unless we needed something from the Nation of Gender and Equality Commission.
Let me ask you, where, you know, this trend is starting at the month of January, where these women have been.
Koromogi mano en kanyo jotelo mag bende gin Wakeini pacho kaendi kaloso e weche ma otenore kod nek ma bende giringre ma oseyudi kowuok kar dak makwa kar dak ma Mkuru kwa Njenga kamwite taka makware. Bende koro watuda achiel kachiel kod Efi Nyalkini bende ntiere achiel kachiel kar kano ringre mano ma mochari. Kendo Efi erokamano kuom yudo thuolo mar loso kodwa mana